Hey everyone, I thought I'd show you what our yard looks like after this crazy snowstorm. The winds blew the snow like everywhere, and then like down here, that's like over 2 feet of snow because of the snow drifts. And then over here, yeah, my husband, he shoveled the walkway, the stairs, and then there's a big huge pile of snow now over there. It's just crazy how much it snowed. And he shoveled last night, and then like a couple hours later I came out here to look, and it looked like he didn't shovel because the snow just blew right over the walkway again. Here's the walkway and the dogs. You can see how tall the snow is. It's as tall as them. Oh, kind of even taller. We got plowed yesterday. My husband's grandpa came with a plow and plowed our driveway because otherwise my husband would have been out here for hours trying to plow, or not plow, but use our little snow blower and a shovel. And it's so cold out here. I think like the wind chill today is supposed to be like negative 25. So much snow. There's my doggies. There's spots where you can see the grass because the snow blew away from that spot. And then under here, you can't see it, but there's like a bush right there. That bush is probably about 3 feet tall. And then right under the snow pile is a wagon that our niece plays with. But you can't even tell it's under there. Oh, I'm back out here again with these dogs. And the wind is crazy. Right before I walked out here, you could see all the snow blowing. And now, see, there's a little bit of it blowing. Oh my, it's so cold. It's so cold. And my poor dog. See it all blowing? Oh, my hands are freezing right now. And I've only been out here like 30 seconds. My white dog, he can only stay out here for so long before he gets cold. But my other dog, if it was up to him, he'd be out here forever because he has a thicker coat. Okay, come on, boys. Sorry I'm not in this video, but I look a hot mess, so I didn't want to show myself. But when I was out taking the dogs out, we got a box from Amazon. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday. But the mailman, he couldn't get up our hill. I actually saw him stuck at the bottom of the hill when he was trying to turn around. Like, he wasn't even trying to attempt to come up here, but he got stuck at the bottom when he was, like, delivering the people's mail down there. And so I guess he dug himself out and just left. And then, like, an hour later, I got an email from Amazon saying that the mailman couldn't deliver the box, so I had to wait for it to come today. So I was kind of bummed because I really wanted this package. But anyways, what I got was a cover for his car seat carrier, but I'm not going to use it for the car seat carrier because I already have one. I wanted to buy it for when he gets older because it can be used on the shopping cart or on the high chair you can use at restaurants. So I'm going to wash it and just put it in my diaper bag for when he is able to sit up on his own, because right now he does pretty good sitting up. Like, I still have to help him sit up. But I think another couple weeks and he'll be able to sit up on his own. So he'll be able to sit in the high chairs at restaurants. But like, look at him right now. He's in his walker. And see, he's standing up right now and I just sat down because there's no traction on the pajamas he's wearing on the feet. But if there were, he would be able to move that. He usually scoots backwards instead of forward. So anyway, so I got this. And then I got him some cups. Not cups, some bowls. So I got him these 3 bowls since we're going to start feeding him oatmeal cereal and baby food since he's almost 6 months. In a couple more weeks, he'll be 6 months. So there was a good deal on these 3. And then I got him a blanket because he only has one baby blanket from my husband's grandma. So his great-grandma she actually made him a blanket. So we have that one, but I wanted another one because I'm using that one as the bottom of where he sleeps. So this one can be like an extra one. And then I got me some makeup because I needed it. I always order it off of Amazon because I can never find my color in the store here. But yeah, that's all I got from Amazon. We're terrible in our house. We order from Amazon at least twice a week or twice a month between both of us, me and my husband, because it's so convenient. He's so cute. Hi. Hi, little guy. Anyways, we're just spending the rest of the day in the house because it's so cold outside. And that's usually what happens after a snowstorm. We just hibernate in the house. But my husband, he had to go to work today. So he took my car because I have an SUV and he has a car. And mine has 4-wheel drive. And I mean, the main roads are clear. It's just the like our hill to get up to our house. It's plowed, but there's still snow on it. Like they didn't put any salt down. So that's why he did that. And it'll probably be all frozen by the time he gets home tonight. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. And hope everyone has a good day. Like this video if you would like to. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye.